Hello, my name is Mark Anthony Taylor. I am the Director of Marketing here at Safeguard, Impact Windows, Doors, and more. One of my favorite things that I like to do here at Safeguard is community outreach. We love going to events and hanging out with families there. It's fun to set up games for the kids to come and interact with. We always have tons of prizes that we like to give away to the kids and to the parents or the grandparents that have grandchildren. We love to, send them home with prizes. Another way that we do community outreach is whenever we have an active install happening, we like to let you know which home, which neighbor we're working on and what type of project we're doing for them, so that if that project is coming up for you in the near future, we can get you some information on that as well. So one day, hopefully, we'll get to see you at one of these events. You could play some games there with us. We could give you some prizes and we'll get you some information on your next home improvement project. Have a nice day.